Marcus Brown bringing today's market update. We start with the news that Theresa May will once again switch her campaign drive towards Brexit after spending much of Monday discussing policies on security. As the election fast approaches, the Conservatives, who have seen their lead in the polls slashed over the last 2 months since announcing a general election, will send Boris Johnson to north-eastern Labour heartlands in an attempt to sway a proportion of voters to switch allegiances. The primary targets for the Tories remain members of the public who voted Leave during last year's referendum, and also those who supported the UK Independence Party back in 2015. Investors will be paying close attention to Thursday's election. A shock Labour victory is expected to cause a decline in the sterling, which could benefit exporting companies, whilst defence and utility firms would likely be negatively impacted. A Conservative majority is forecast to have the opposite effect on sterling and defence, whilst home builders are also expected to benefit. In other news, Snap Incorporated has acquired startup Placed, a firm that measures the success of digital advertising campaigns. The acquisition is expected to cost in the region of $125 million and will be used by the owner of Snapchat to demonstrate that adverts used on their photo and video sharing app is driving users onto the high street. After the company's IPO in March, Snap has been looking to boost its sales figures, and encouraging investors to advertise on their platform will be a key drive towards the firm's targets. In oil news, the recent spat between Qatar and its neighbouring countries has been downplayed by analysts as a family disagreement, and having climbed on the back of yesterday's announcements, oil prices slipped back down as concerns regarding supply were downplayed. Bob Yorger, Director of Futures Division at Mizuho Securities USA, stated there has been no disruption to the cargo schedule and highlighted that the US will not reduce its procurement in energies anytime soon. In upcoming data, 10 o'clock sees Eurozone retail sales figures released. 10:30, South Africa GDP growth data is announced. 11 o'clock, Ireland industrial production figures are released. And at 3 o'clock, Canada IV PMI is revealed. Thank you for listening.